Get ready to witness one of the most normal video of all time, which was created by these 10 innocent looking students. So, put on your seatbelts and watch them talk about different types of pollutions.
Hi everyone, my name is Mayuresh and today I'm going to talk to you on the topic of air pollution. Air pollution consists of particles or chemicals in the atmosphere that pose serious threat to human body as well as environment. But have you ever wondered what causes air pollution or what does it even mean to our planet? Well, some air pollutions are caused due to natural resources like volcanic eruptions, even wildfires or allergens. But most air pollutions are caused by us humans, such as using energy during agriculture. There are different types of air pollution which are caused by human beings.
When we burn fossil fuels to produce energy, they release greenhouse gases into air. These emissions, such as CO2, methane, nitrous dioxide, and fluorinated gases, trap heat from the sun in Earth's atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperature. This creates a cycle where air pollution contributes to climate higher temperatures. In turn, higher temperatures intensify some types of air pollution. Smog is a type of air pollution which reduces visibility and serious health issues. Smog not only creates a brown haze that reduces visibility but also harms plants and human eyes and causes respiratory distress. Another category of air pollution is toxic pollution. These are chemicals such as mercury, lead, dioxins, and benzene that are released during gas or coal combustion or burning of gasoline. Toxic air pollution can cause serious health problems such as cancer and birth problems.
After looking into the matter of air pollution, we find that today our main achievement or goal is to stop air pollution, and this can only be happen by taking major and determined steps. So some of the ways I'm going to list you where we can stop air pollution. First, usage of public transport. Usage of public transport can help us in contributing to less air pollution. Even carpooling also. From this way, we can save our money and air too. Second point, the energy that lights take also contribute to air pollution. So less consumption of electricity can help us to save energy. Third point, and the last point but not the least, we should avoid the usage of crackers as it is a contributor to air pollution.
These bags are so heavy.
What's in those bags, Shriyansh bhai?
Huh? Arey nothing pa. It's just daily household waste. I dispose of it in a pit next to my fields and the town folks said it'll turn into manure one day.
Yes, indeed, but only organic waste turns into manure and not plastic waste. You will be damaging your crops and polluting our Mother Earth.
Tell me something, Venkatesh.
Yes?
Is this your land?
No?
Is this your garbage?
No?
Then on my count of 3, run as fast as you can because I don't want to see you anywhere near my fields.
Okay, but mark my words, you're going to regret doing this, Shriyansh.
Many months later.
Venkatesh was right all along.
The land sustains life on earth. It is because of this land that we can produce food that sustains our ever-growing population. When we say land pollution, we mean the degradation of the land and its fundamental properties. Deforestation, urbanization, improper disposal of waste, usage of fertilizers. All this leads to soil erosion and adds to land pollution. Hence, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Green revolution is the best solution to stop pollution.
So, the situation is out of control. We have to initiate a nuclear attack against enemies. It's the matter of national emergency. Over and out. Are you sure, Commander? Okay, let me discuss this issue with the Prime Minister and let you know. Over and out. Sir, the situation is out of control in the border. It's the matter of emergency. We need your permission to initiate the nuclear attack on the enemies.
We both know it won't stop at we nuking them. They will retaliate. Their allies will join the war. Our allies will join the war. And that threatens the entire humankind. So you want my permission to start a nuclear war? Permission denied.
So So as we saw in the last video, just like nuclear wars, radioactive wastes also create heavy damage to the environment, human beings as well as the animals. Exposure to large amount of radioactive wastes causes diarrhea, hemorrhage, vomiting, hair loss, destruction of intestinal lining, DNA damages, and it also causes deaths due to cancers, particularly in young children and infants. So let it be a game or a real life, we always need to take proper precautions and we must remain careful to avoid all these problems. So basically, this is us, the human beings, and all these are the radioactive problems created due to radioactive wastes. So basically, if we take proper precautions, we can eliminate these problems just like this. So at the end, I would like to say that we should learn to manage all these radioactive wastes properly.
Nuclear wars are not the only thing we need to worry about. We also have built huge nuclear power plants that we need to operate with extreme attentiveness. As they say, with great power comes great responsibility.
Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies including lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, and groundwater. This form of degradation occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into the water bodies without adequate treatment to remove these harmful compounds. Worldwide cause of death and disease that accounts for more than 14,000 people deaths daily. An estimate of 580 people in India die of water pollution every day. Algae blooms, storms, and earthquakes also cause a major change in the water quality and the ecological status of the water.
Man-made chemicals, pathogens such as salmonella and parasitic worms. Eutrophication, a process which is an increase in the concentration of chemical nutrients in the ecosystem to an extent that the primary productivity of the ecosystem or depletion in the oxygen level. There are two types of pollutants, organic and inorganic. Organic examples are detergent, byproducts through processing waste including fats and grease, insecticides, jet fuel, and drug pollution. Second, inorganic. Inorganic example should be sediment, ammonia, chemical waste, trash and garbage, paper, plastic, food waste, and shipwrecks.
I'm Rakshit. I'm going to tell you some preventions on water pollution. If you find any kind of litter around you, just don't throw it away in the water, just pick it up and throw it in the dustbin can. If you are disposing your automobile lubricant, make sure that you dispose it properly without making any pollution in water.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा
Hello?
Hey Satvik,
Yeah, speaking. Who's this?
I'm your neighbor Nitya.
Oh, hi.
Can you turn down your music volume?
Can I ask why? Like, we are just enjoying, right?
It's very disturbing and also causes noise pollution. Alright, let me give you a few examples. Construction noises, horns in traffic, any loud music at commercial venues, firecrackers. What do you think are the results of all this? Hypertension, hearing loss, hearing impairment for growing children, sleep deprivation, psychological dysfunction. These are just a few. And
If you think that we humans are the only one being affected by noise pollution, then you're wrong. Like, extremely wrong. Because apart from human life, even wildlife and marine life is being affected by noise pollution. Let me tell you how. So, noise pollution causes stress in animals, and stress reduces the immunity of the animals, which makes them more weak. And noise pollution also causes vascular damages on brain, lungs, and other organs of the animal. So, if you don't care about yourself, no problem. But please think about those animals out there. So now I will give you some tips to reduce noise pollution. First of all, don't use loudspeakers everywhere. Stay away from the noisy areas. Follow the limits of noise levels. Use earplugs. Regularly check the noise levels. And don't use loudspeakers near hospitals. So, in the end, we all just want to say one thing. Please try to reduce all kind of pollution, and thank you very much for watching this video.